Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Tenorshare's iCareFone free iOS backup tool. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to use Tenorshare's iCareFone free iOS backup tool? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Okay, as you can see, we are now in Tenorshare's website, tenorshare.com. And for you who don't know what Tenorshare is, they have applications and software that help with smartphone solutions. So they have repair, transfer, password recovery utilities, and other supportive like apps to help you with your phone. And most of them are free, but the premium is actually the best. It, it's decently priced for what it does. So, and as you can see here, Tenorshare reboot repair OS. Make iOS 17 update and downgrade stress free. So they have that something new, to be honest. Yeah. So what we're here for is there's your iCareFone, which is it's their backup tool. So if you uh if you look for backup, so this is the iCareFone for transfer. You have WhatsApp, you have iOS backup tool, you have phone data transfer, and you have line transfer. So free backup tool is what we need, and this is pretty much it, right? So what is Tenorshare iCareFone? It's Tenorshare's app that helps you manage your iOS devices by and the thing is there are quite a few perks like one click to export photos to PC or Mac or selectively add, delete, edit contacts, audio, videos, etc. Download apps not available in your country without app stores such as BGMI, TikTok, ChatGPT, Free Fire, etc. Smart iOS data backup to computer totally free. Transfer media files between iDevice and iTunes without limitation. Um, Restore iOS backup data to your device or computer anytime, anywhere. Um, enjoy more features like enable iPhone developer mode, run an iPhone diagnostic test, or generate AI wallpaper on your iPhone for Mac. That's for Mac. And it's compatible with the latest iOS 17 and iPhone 14 Plus Pro, Pro Max, SE, and more. So as you can see here, you have the free version. Just click on it. You can get it or buy now. So clicking on buy now will bring you to the what do you call this pricing. So individuals, 1 year license is $49.95, so $50. If you're used to like transferring files back and forth to your computer and to your mobile device, $49.95 for an entire year. It seems kind of pricey, but if it's an entire year, it's $50 for an entire year. You have unlimited devices for one PC. It has auto renewal, cancel at any time, which is good if you hover this. The license will be automatically renewed in 1 year. You can cancel it at any time before the renewal date. You'll receive a notification email. So this is pretty good. It has 1 year free upgrades, 30 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like it within the first 30 days of paying for the service, you get your money back. And then you have free customer service alongside with it. And 1 month license is $29.95. You'll save an extra almost $90. So it has pretty much the same perks, right? And a lifetime license is $59.95, so $60. Like if if you're an Apple user, right? If you're an Apple device user, $60 forever is pretty good. It's a pretty good deal, right? So that's pretty much the pricing for this. Let's go back. So why choose iCareFone for your iOS device? So one click to export batch photos. Export all photos from iOS devices to your PC or Mac in one click, no storage limit, and you can save time and effort. And then transfer for all iOS devices. This supports all iPhones, iPads, and iPod Touch. Get the full management of your iOS devices with one tool. So, and then easily download, install, or remove iOS apps. Manage iOS apps as you wish. Download, install, or remove iOS apps on your computer with just a single click. And banned apps are also supported. By banned apps, I mean there are a bunch of apps that are not supported, that are not on the Play Store or App Store for certain countries for certain reasons, And then free backup, selectively or fully backup data in your iOS devices to PC and Mac at no cost, and it supports 30 plus files. Selectively store the backup to any iOS device at any time. Get rid of useless data to save storage. Full guide and easy to use with a step-by-step guide. This tool is novice friendly and requires no tech knowledge. So, um, those are pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to use. We have a few videos, tutorials for Tenorshare apps, and you can check those out. Manage your iOS data in a simpler way. Take control of your data with iCareFone without limitations. It displays files clearly for you to preview, access, and organize effortlessly, making your life more convenient. So it covers photos, apps, music, videos, contacts, and more. So yeah. So as you can see here, transfer. One click to export all photos on iPhone and iPad to PC, Mac. Transfer all types of photos between iPad, iPhone, and iPod. Transfer photos via iCareFone app. Organize and display your photos by category like albums, media types, time, place, etc. individually or batch. Add and delete photos and albums as you like. Compression. This isn't available, which is they'll have minimized image size without degrading the quality. And then deduplicates, can duplicate photos and place the same photos in a folder. Remove duplicates on your albums to save iPhone storage. And yeah, you can manage apps on your iPhone devices. Download apps that have been removed, banned from the iOS App Store, like we said earlier. These are some of the apps that are banned in certain countries on the App Store, like TikTok, Free Fire, BGMI, MT4, MTS, PUBG Mobile, and Facetune. But this app supports all of them. And then update and install iPhone apps on your computer. Find and delete hidden apps. And then lastly, manage playlists. Add any songs to your playlist from your computer. Export, import music between devices quickly. Easily add new playlists to categorize your music. And more media files. Transfer ringtones, podcasts, and audiobooks between iOS devices and computers. And no iTunes needed to sync media between the devices, which is pretty cool. So it says here, unlimited transfer for iOS files, as much as you need. As I said, iOS devices to PC or Mac, iPhone to iPad, iTunes to iPhone. So yeah, I mean, this is a pretty sweet app and software to have on your PC and on your iPhone or iOS device. Again, with the pricing, if you do all of these things on a regular basis, it is well worth it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.